Hey guys, doing all right? Today, we are taking on fall. These look stupid. Today, now, you know what? Since we're taking on fall, I needed the most hipster fall glasses ever, and these are them, I think, whatever. So today, we're taking over fall, okay? Jetlag live becomes jetlag autumn today, okay? So basically what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go pick up my boyfriend. Maybe we'll take a couple pictures, I'll share them along the way. But we're going to Starbucks, and I think I'm going to try, if not one, every fall drink on the Starbucks menu. So I want to get into fall. It's currently 80 degrees here in Florida, so you don't really get fall in October, but happy October. I'm gonna force fall on here and try to get some, how do you say it, autumnal? Try to get some fall vibes going on. Okay, when I got Seth, you can say hi.
In the shot?
You're not in the shot.
Okay.
But your new Cords mug can be. You want to show the world?
No, it's alright.
Okay. So, the game plan. Here's the game plan. I'm gonna go order a couple drinks. One, I've never tried any of the autumn drinks from Starbucks. And two, I'm gonna try as many as sound good. Personally, I love pumpkin. I love fall drinks. So I'm eager to try them. And I haven't tried them for any reason. Usually I go to Dunk's, so sorry, Starbucks. But we're on the way, and I'm excited to have a lot of caffeine. Just for the record, this is Seth's phone. It's just plugged in, and this is what's
at a bad time.
Okay, so they've got the pumpkin cream cold brew, which I'm really excited to try, and a pumpkin spice latte. There's a frappuccino on there, but I don't like frappuccinos, so let's do it. I got a seat outside in the nice 80-degree weather. I'm waiting for Seth to bring all the fall drinks. There was a fall season long menu where the only option was a pumpkin spice latte, the pumpkin sweet cream cold brew, pumpkin cream cold brew, and some frappuccino. And then after I had paid, I heard somebody say they got a pumpkin frappuccino, which wasn't an option when I checked. It was only like a caramel thing. So maybe I messed up, but we're gonna try these anyway.
All right, Seth just brought me some of these guys. So we've got Olivia, tall pumpkin cream cold brew, and then a pumpkin latte. So I'm ready to try these. So like I was saying earlier, these were the only two drinks that I saw that were fall. So I've never tried either of these things. So what I'm gonna try first, I'm gonna try the pumpkin cream cold brew. Oh, that's pretty damn good. So I think it's like the pumpkin taste for like a split second, and then it's like a cinnamon cream type thing. That's pretty good. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the infamous pumpkin spice latte, PSL season. This is so hot. Ooh, it's got whipped cream on it. Take a look at that. So I'm gonna try this and see if I can be wearing Uggs this season. Oh my god, that's so good. Even though it's 80 degrees out. You guys, holy crap, what have I been missing out on?
Hot, I don't know about hot.
Try it. It's pretty good, huh?
No, I haven't. I got all the foam.
Yay or nay? Would you buy it again?
Yeah, I'd say it's worth the hype.
It's worth the hype. This just in, folks, it is worth the hype.
So I'm gonna drink both of these because I think they're absolutely delicious. Maybe take some pictures for my new preset announcement coming soon. If you're not following my presets page, at Jetlag Live Presets, follow it, give us some love, and we do some giveaways, so maybe you can even win some presets. But I think the winner is honestly the pumpkin spice latte. This is freaking delicious. So yeah, I really like it, and this isn't too bad either. So we're gonna have a really hyperactive day today. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today. I'm back home now, I'm relaxing. I've still got unpacking to do, you know, room reno underway. But I really enjoyed trying those coffees, and if there's more you guys want me to try, let me know down below. Also, we hit 300 subscribers on this channel, and we have to do a giveaway. Like, we have to. So I'm giving you guys a gift card to get your favorite fall drink, whatever that may be. All the information is going to be linked down below, but basically what you need to do is you need to give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment down below to enter, and it always helps if you're subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Happy fall, y'all. This is Jetlag Autumn signing off. See ya.